Good morning, boomers. I'm frustrated with keto. My question today is, can it be maintained? And if not, what's next? Well, I found something on the internet called Java Burn. After 6 weeks of eating nothing but meat, cheese, and vegetables, I lost 10 pounds and remained fairly miserable. I'm convinced that once you break the keto fast and go back to regular food, you'll quickly gain what you lost as you pack in the stuff you crave, like pizza, bread, and french fries. So, what's now? I think for me, the only way to go is just quitting everything and exercising 6 hours a day and try to alter my metabolism. Not going to happen. Java Burn claims to be able to do that by simply adding a small dose to your first cup of coffee every day, and the weight will start to fall off. Now, that sounds too good to be true, but I ordered some and we're going to see. Let's try it together. I'll order if you will, and we'll see if this miracle stuff starts to melt off the inches. I put some in my blog. You can order it from there. It's listed as a weight loss pill and powder, which will help boost the keto effect. You can also buy it with the coffee for a whole morning weight loss boost. What's not to like? A simple addition to my morning coffee, and the weight starts to fall off. Let's try this one together. Click on one of the order forms from Amazon, and you can buy it now. And Jeff Bezos will pay me a small commission, but don't worry, he can afford it. So that's it for now, boomers. Go to Java Burn. Let's give it a shot and see what happens. Brian Tong, Boomer Life out.